Hey, do you know 5 common myths about stock market what each investors believe? But are these myths true in real world? In this video, I shall unveil the truth of these myths before you. So, lot to know and discuss. Let's start. Myth number 1. Stock market is gambling. One common myth in the investment world is that stock market is equivalent to gambling. What is gambling? Are you sure about that? Well, gambling refers to the act of betting or staking sums of values, typically money or in the outcome of a game, context or an uncertain event with an anticipation of gaining a reward. It involves the cautious acknowledgement of probability and hope for achieving a favorable outcome, which may be determined by chance, accident, or but better miscalculation. Gambling is a widely practiced activity across the world and have various forms and context. Let's take an example. You have never driven a car, but in common sense, if you are willing to buy a car, you will first look for a driver, right? But if you love gambling, you will buy the car, you will drive the car without proper license through normal traffic road and anticipate that you can drive the car smoothly. Now tell me how much probability is there to complete each of your wish list on your very first day of fun driving without any accident, any scratch on the car, on breaking any traffic rules or any nothing. It will be less than 1%. And that is known as gambling. In reality, investment in the stock market involves making informed decision based on research, understanding of the company's fundamental and analysis of economy, industry and company specific details using suitable system and tools. Stock market has risk, but it's not a casino. Myth number 2, timing the market. Many people believe that they can consistently time the market by buying low and selling high. However, market timing is notoriously difficult, and even a professional investor struggles to consistently predict short-term market movements. There are certain indicators which can help you to sense upcoming market movements, but 100% perfect timing in the market is not at all easy. Only insider information helps to some extent, but that is illegal and banned in most of the exchanges. Myth number 3, only experts can invest. Some believes that stock market investing is only for experts or professionals. In reality, anyone can invest in the stocks with proper education, research and long-term investment mindset. There are many individuals in our country who have achieved multifold return from their investment over the years. People perform both trade and investment in the stock market. However, investors has higher chance of winning the game of higher return from stock market investment. Myth number 4, penny stocks are quick way to get rich. What is penny stocks? A penny stock refers to the shares of small public companies that trades at a relatively lower price per share, typically lesser than rupees 100. Depending on the source, these stocks are often associated with higher risks and speculative investments. People often touted it as a get-rich-quick opportunity, but this quick mentality may make investors often gets associated with such stocks which often suffered scams and high volatility. Investing solely in penny stocks can be extremely risky and is not a reliable strategy at all for long-term wealth creation. Remember, if the company is really good and performing, then why the stock price had not gone up over the years? And that's why penny stocks can be a misleading proposition. And myth number 5, stock market always goes up. While the stock market has historically shown an upward trend over the long run, it is not immune to downturn or bear market. It is essential to understand that the stock market can experience periods of volatility and investors should have prepared for potential downturn. Sensex was 30,457 level in September 2017 and gone up to 41,445 in December 2019, but sharply come down to 29,108 in March 2020, a straightaway 30+% downfall within 2.5 months time. People who enter stock market with a target to make quick monetary gain is actually losing their hard-earned money. If you wanted to know the secrets and techniques, how you can get multi-bagger return from your stock market investment despite of market uncertainty and volatility, by clicking the link below, you can join my 2 hours live hybrid investing masterclass in coming weekends, where you will get exciting bonuses, smart quick tools and systems, and opportunity to be part of a vibrant community. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe KnogrowInvest YouTube channel for more of such information on stock market investment.